Hello world, we're just a few days away from this upcoming live stream. We're gonna run in this coming Saturday at 9 p.m. Central European Time on this YouTube channel. It's gonna be a special one. As some of you already know, Simon Dunmore, founder of Defected Records, sent us an incredible box of vinyl records. It's a jam-packed collection of some of the best house music records produced by Defected Records. AM/PM Records is jam-packed. Here at XYZ, this creative center in Conegliano, in beautiful Venice region in Italy, we have a tradition. When we receive a new box of record, whether it's something we ordered or it's a donation, like Simon's, we open it and we play it for everyone. Musicians that are working here, people in the workshop or downstairs in the communication department. We want to share the passion for music. We want to offer new inputs. Maybe you're working on something and you hear a song that you never heard before. That's maybe gonna trigger something. So we're going to do exactly that this weekend. We're going to have a very special and exclusive out-of-the-box session. That's how we call these sessions. The cool part is that we are going to mix these records live. There's nothing planned about that. The stage is ready, the team is ready, but the performance is going to be natural. And that's the beauty of this, because when you mix records live, you create something magical. If you think about when maybe you went to a club or an event, a festival, and you experience a DJ mixing records, right there is something wonderful that happens. Maybe it's the rhythm, maybe it's the melody, but it takes you somewhere else. And this is something that we hope we'll be able to share with you during this live performance, so that you can enjoy together with us the magic generated by this amazing collection that was sent as a gift from Simon. This Saturday, 9 p.m. Central European Time on this YouTube channel, Mode Zero Official, is gonna be special. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. If this is the first time you visit us, please do consider subscribing to this channel. It helps a lot. And if you have other friends that you believe may enjoy this experience as much as you do, share this channel, share this event with them, and we are all gonna see and meet live on Saturday. Stay tuned.